Kahit maselan pa rin at marami ang kontra sa usapin ng same-sex marriage sa bansa, may ilan pa rin miyembro ng LGBT na hindi nahiyang ipakita at ang pagmamahal sa kanilang karelasyon. Tulad na lang ng grand winner ng Miss Gay Manila sa kanyang boyfriend. Alamin ang kanilang kwento sa report ni Brandon Milla.
Sa artikulong ito na lumabas sa isang pahayagan, mistulang isinisigaw sa buong mundo ng graphics artist na si Art Santa Ana ang kanyang pagmamahal sa Miss Gay Manila winner na si Trixie Maristela, isang trans woman.
I'm just an ordinary guy, but I was able to show that even an ordinary guy like me can make a difference.
Aminado sina Art at Trixie tulad ng ibang LGBT couple, dumaan sa maraming pagsubok ang kanilang relasyon.
We've had a struggle in terms of coming out, most especially dun on his side.
Sa side ko.
Kasi lumaki siya sa isang family na medyo heteronormative.
Yeah. I didn't know how my friends and family would take it. So we kind of hid the fact that she was a trans woman.
Unang kita pa lang daw ni Art kay Trixie noong 2009, alam na niyang transgender ito. Pero ang sabi nga nila, ang pana ni Cupido, walang sinasanto. Pero nagdesisyon lang silang ilantad ang relasyon nang manalo si Trixie sa isang beauty contest sa TV kamakailan.
There was a lot of getting ready for it to happen. But when it did happen, I was like, you know what? Let the world know. You shouldn't be a secret, and no trans woman should ever be a secret.
Ngayon, plano na ni Art at Trixie na magpakasal at bumuo ng sariling pamilya.
Everyone should have the right to be with who they want to be who they are. Doesn't matter what labels you have. You know, love has no labels, love has no gender.
Umaaksyon, Brandon Milla, News 5.
Be sure to come back. News 5 everywhere. Copyright 2015.